Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if you can earn money from Facebook. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. Click on the Facebook application, then click on your profile picture here, then go to the page that you want to monetize. Just click on this. Let's say I want to monitor this page for Tech Solutions. I'll be directed to the page, then I'll click on the profile picture on the page, just like this. Then I'll click on the name of the page, then I'll click on the three dots here, then I'll click on page status. Okay, then here this page is recommendable and it is eligible to monetize. Just click on it. You'll see the options that you can be monetized. There are stars, ads on reel, bonuses, in-stream ad subscription. Then you can choose anyone here. Let's say I want to choose ads on reels. Okay. You'll see availability. This tool is only not available to me yet. Okay. You can check the various tools here. The bonuses, in-stream ads. Okay. You can see what is required here. I must reside in an eligible country. I must follow content monetization policy, and the profile must have at least 5,000 followers. Okay. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.